we shall see how to use dynamic memory allocation in C++. In C++, we need not use any header file for dynamic memory allocations. We make use of two new operators, that is new and delete. Operator new is used to allocate the memory during execution time, that is during runtime. The dynamically allocated memory can be freed using the operator delete. In this program we shall allocate memory dynamically and ask the user to enter some values and find its sum. So let's see how dynamic memory allocation is done. Int star a, we have to take a pointer variable, it's a must, is equal to use the new operator, the data type and the variable which we have already declared previously, that is n. So instead of int we can also take user defined structure variables or class variables, class names, sorry. So here we ask the user to input some values, the range input by the user previously, that is the value of n. Let's display the input array. If you try to do this dynamic memory allocation int star a is equal to new int of n before declaring n, it doesn't work. Now let's display the input elements, that is a of I. Now we can even do the sum here. So we haven't taken the variable yet. We'll remove this I because we have initialized it inside for loop. So sum plus equals, or sum is equal to sum plus a of I. Shorthand notation, sum plus equals a of I. You can write any of this as you probably know by now. Now let's simply display the total, that is the sum of all the entered elements. That's it. This is a simple program in C++ to illustrate dynamic memory allocation using new operator. 3, 4, 5, which is 15. Okay. But as I told, we can use delete operator to remove the dynamically allocated memory. So we'll write it at the end before getch. Trace the program. It is very simple. If you get to know this simple program, you can handle complex programs too. Now here before getch we can write delete inside bracket a for deallocating dynamically allocated memory. Thanks for watching. Share it with your friends on Facebook, like it on YouTube. Thanks again.